Ikea to pay family $46 million after child killed by falling drawers. Jozef Dudek died after an Ikea Malm dresser toppled over onto him in 2017. Malm dressers are seen at an Ikea store in China where they were also recalled in 2016. Left to right, Camden Ellis, Curren, Collas and McGee were killed by falling Ikea dressers. News script from BBC. The Swedish furniture giant Ikea has agreed to pay $46 million £35 million to the parents of a child who was killed when a chest of drawers fell on him. Jozef Dudek, too, suffocated in May 2017 when the company's Malm drawers toppled over at the family's California home. All clips may not represent the story. The item, which weighs 70 pounds (32 kilograms), had been recalled a year earlier over safety concerns after 3 other children were killed. It is the largest child wrongful death settlement in U.S. history, lawyers say. While no settlement can alter the tragic events that brought us here, for the sake of the family and all involved, we're grateful that this litigation has reached a resolution, a spokeswoman for Ikea said. We remain committed to working to address this very important home safety issue, she added. Watch to become bilingual with latest world news. In a statement, the child's parents, Joleen and Craig Dudek, said they were devastated by the loss of their son. We never thought that a 2-year-old could cause a dresser just 30 inches (76 centimeters) high to topple over and suffocate him, they said. It was only later that we learned that it was unstable by design. We are telling our story because we do not want this to happen to another family, the couple added. They urged anyone who still has a recalled Ikea dresser to return it. The family also said they would donate $1 million of the settlement to groups working to protect children from dangerous products. In 2016, Ikea recalled millions of Malm chests of drawers in North America over safety concerns. It was the largest recall in the company's history. Initially, the company warned customers to use wall mounts with them, but the death of a 3rd child prompted the action. Camden Ellis, 2, Curren, Collas, 2, and 23-month-old McGee were all crushed by the product. In December of that year, the company agreed to pay $50 million £40 million in a combined settlement to the families of the 3 toddlers. Under that settlement, Ikea agreed to only sell chests in the US that meet or exceed the national voluntary safety standard for clothing storage units. The deaths prompted the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission to launch an education campaign about the risk of falling chests of drawers. In 2017, the company relaunched the recall in the US and Canada. It said items in its Malm range and other chests and dressers pose at serious tip-over and entrapment hazard if not secured to a wall. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.